Hey 3D farmers, Yan here, and I've got massive news. Remember when I said many print farms would fail this year? Well, Etsy just confirmed it with a policy bombshell that's about to change everything. If you've been selling 3D prints of other designers through a subscription, your business is in serious danger. This is your wake-up call. In this video, I will talk about the policy change, what it means for the 3D print business, and most importantly, what you can do about it. Let's dive in. Etsy quietly updated their rules. Anything 3D printed must now be produced based on a seller's original design. Translation: if you didn't design it yourself, it's banned. No announcement, no warning, just a sneaky policy buried in their newsletter. Sellers are freaking out because this kills thousands of listings overnight. This popular Flexi Dragons banned. Cosplay props from Thingiverse gone. Patreon designs you've been printing not allowed anymore. Etsy's message is clear. We want originality, not copies. They originally wanted everything truly handmade, and now they're flooded with identical prints from print farms, and they've had enough. If you are mainly selling products from subscriptions on Etsy, this policy change could mean shop suspension without warning, instant revenue loss from your bestsellers, and worthless inventory of trending prints. Sellers are already panicking. Forums lit up with fear as many realized their income streams could vanish overnight. One seller shared that finally made enough to quit their day job, and now it could all disappear. Some people are trying workarounds, adding paint, letting buyers choose colors, claiming customization makes it original. But what's on the other side of the coin? What does this change mean for sellers of original designs like us? This actually helps us. With fewer copies and duplicated 3D printed products cluttering the platform, there's less competition for attention and eyes on our listings. When thousands of identical listings disappear, our unique designs will stand out even more. So this policy change is essentially Etsy doing the cleanup work for us, removing the noise so genuine creators can shine. And here's where I have to say it. We saw this coming. In my many print farms will fail this year video, I warned that relying on other people's designs is not building on solid ground. Whether through market saturation, IP crackdowns, or platform changes, the message was clear. If you don't own your own designs, you don't control your success. Here's the reality: adapt or die. The sellers who survive this will be those who created original designs, not just print them. I know what you're thinking, but I'm not a designer. Neither were most successful creators when they started. The difference? They learned. That's exactly why we created the CAD challenge in our school community. We teach practical CAD skills specifically for profitable 3D printing businesses. And not only that, we provide you with an automatic printing system, pricing calculators, and a farm layer roadmap to guarantee long-term success. So ask yourself, 6 months from now, if Etsy fully enforces these rules, where do you want to be? The choice is yours, but you need to act now. We will help you master CAD, create amazing original products, and build a business that is truly yours. So turn this crisis into your competitive advantage. Happy printing, 3D farmers.